Hello my dear students, how are you everybody? কেমন আছো? After some days come back again for the combined course and chapter name is time and work. Okay? আজ থেকে তোমাদের জন্য আমি combined course chapter wise start করছি. Today's chapter is time and work. There are so many laws or formulas. Come and listen carefully, then you have to do with care, and using the formula you can do the problem 1 or 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay, there are different types of maths of the chapter time and work. At first I discuss some laws related to the chapter time and work. Okay, now look, time and work chapter. At first there are 3 laws. Listen carefully. Number 1, a man can do a work in X days, and B, another man can do the same work in Y days. Then A and B together means একসাথে A and B together can do the same work in xy by x plus y days. Therefore, first law is, if a man can do the work in x days and B, another man, can do the same work in y days, then A and B together can do the same work in xy by x plus y days. This is the first formula. And look second. A plus B together can do a work in x days, and B, another man alone, can do the same work in y days, then A alone can do it in xy by x minus y days. And the third formula is m1 d1 t1 by w1 equal to n2 d2 t2 by w2. This formula is VVI for you. M stands for number of men, D stands for number of days, T stands for working hours per day, and W stands for quantity of work. Same thing, M1 D1 T1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. Okay, this is the original formula, and from that formula we can use also M1 D1 equal to M2 D2, or M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2, or M1 D1 T1 equal to M2 D2 and T2. These three formulas you have to mind it from today for the chapter of time and work. VVI this chapter. So using this formula, we have to solve some questions today. Okay? Clear, everybody? Now, first question. Using this formula, look. Using first formula, question number 1. Question number 1. If a man can do a work in 6 days and B, another man can do the same work in 12 days, then together means A plus B can do it means together, that is exate in xy by x plus y, the formula you have to know it, and using this formula 6 the value of x and 12 is the value of y, that is 6 into 12